friends, I am here to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals with the rules what we have discussed in the previous video. So are you ready, friends? Let's start. So before converting, let us write the
seven basic Roman numerals.
What we have here, friends. So nothing but, so here we have I, it's nothing but value is 1, and next we go for V is nothing but 5, and X is nothing but 10, and then we have L is nothing but 50, and then C is nothing but 100, D 500, and M is nothing but 1000. So we have first cleared all
seven basic Roman numerals.
Is the minimum knowledge we must have in our brains. Okay, friends? Now, so let us apply the rules one by one for the Roman numerals what we have here. Okay, friends? So first one. So this is a repetition. I is repeated 2 times, friends. What to do? Add. So 1 plus 1, its value will be adding. So nothing but 2. Here it is repeated 3 times. Repetition, add. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Next here if you see, friends, clearly, we have a smaller Roman numeral and then we have larger one. So for this is nothing but rule 3, friends. So whenever we have smaller first and then larger, what we do, friends? Subtract. That is nothing but when we have a smaller one to the left of the larger one, we subtract. So 5 minus 1, it's nothing but 4. Okay, friends? Next. Here we have larger first and smaller next. Then what we do? We do addition. So 5 plus 1, 6. Similarly, we have larger first and next we have smaller numbers. So what we do? Smaller Roman numerals we add. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Similarly, 5 plus 1 plus 1, same rule. So we apply rule 2. That is nothing but 8. And coming to this, we have first smaller and then larger. What we do, friends? Subtract. 10 minus 1, it's nothing but 9. Okay, friends? Are you understanding how we are using the rules? So let us use here. So it's nothing but repetition. What we do, friends? Add 10 plus 10, 20. Here also repetition 3 times. So 3 times, that is nothing but 30. So repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Next, here we have first smaller and then we have larger. What to do, friends? Subtract. 50 minus 10, 40. So whenever we have 40, it is nothing but XL. Okay, friends? Next. So here we have larger and then we have smaller. Whenever we have a larger first and smaller next, we add those. That is nothing but 50 plus 10, 60. Similarly, we go here, it's nothing but larger first and then smaller, so we add 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70. Next, here also addition, it's 80. Here, if you see smaller, whenever you get the smaller and then the larger, we subtract. 100 minus 10, 90. So, whenever you see 90, it's nothing but XC. Okay, friends? Next, CC repetition, we add 200. Here also repetition, we add up the values. So, here we have smaller first and then larger. What we do, friends? Subtract. 500 minus 100, it's 400. So, whenever you see CD, it's nothing but 400. Remember this, friends. Next, DC, larger and then smaller. So when we have larger first, go for addition. So 500 plus 100, 600. Next, this is same, 700. And then here also we have larger after smaller ones, addition, 800. And here smaller first, then larger. What we do? Subtract the values. 1000 minus 100, it's 900. So whenever you have CM, we will be writing 900. And then we go for MM repetition. What we do? Add. Similarly, 3M's also add. And one more thing, friends, we forgot to discuss in the previous video. In the place of M, they will be using K also. Okay, friends, in the place of M, they will be using K also. Nowadays, they say 5K views, 5K people are observing. 5K means 5000. Okay, friends. So, in the place of M, nowadays they are using K also. Next. Now, we have some interesting Roman numerals. We must be smart in using whatever we completed here. Ready, friends? So here you can observe XL and IV. So XL means you already know. What is XL? It's nothing but 40. 40 and IV is nothing but 4. So what is the number, friends? 44 is this Roman numeral. Okay, friends? Next. XL is nothing but 40 and IX is nothing but 9. So it's nothing but 49. Okay, friends? Next. XC. So here we have done it, that is nothing but 90. And then this is nothing but 9, 99. So whenever you have 99, how to write its Roman numeral? We write XC, IX. Next, CD. CD is nothing but what is it, friends? 400. And this is nothing but 9. So we write it as 409. Okay, friends? Next, CD is nothing but 400, XC is nothing but 90, and IX is nothing but 9. So what we write? 499. Okay friends, it's nothing but we can add up also. 400 plus 90 plus 9, it's 499. Next, what is CM friends? CM is nothing but 900. XC is nothing but 90, and this is 9. So what is that friends? 999. Okay friends, next. And here you see that you have small, we have first larger, and all we have small ones. So what we do friends? So we have a larger, and right side we have the smaller ones. Larger and smaller, larger and smaller, larger and smaller. What we do? We go for rule to add all this. So let us go for addition. Then what we have? So 1000 plus 500, 1500, 1500 plus 100, 1600, 1600 plus 50, 1650 plus 10, 1660 plus 5, 1665 plus 1, 1666 friends. So using this way, nothing but using the rules of writing Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals, we have written all these Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Hope you understood friends. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share friends. Thank you very much.